Hi guys, it's Angel again. I'm here to do a what's in my school bag tutorial. It's because from watching all these people who I subscribe myself, I always love how they do theirs because I love their bag and their stuff in it and how they keep organized. And I won't say that I'm organized because I know I'm not that organized. Probably with my room, well, I'm like an organized, messy person. Yeah. Okay, well, let's get on. Okay. This is my school bag. A regular JanSport bag. But this regular ones, I guess. Okay, well. In this first pocket, I have my glasses. And the reason why it's black and white is because, it matches everything. And since I wear a uniform, it will match my uniform since my uniform is green. Yeah, go figure. And for this one, I have tissue. I don't know. Because, you never know when you're gonna, sneeze out a booger or someone else sneezes out a booger or something. Yeah. I guess this is really handy actually. Because then, I don't know. Like, even if you spill something, you got this. Or, here you need a tissue, you got a little something on your forehead. But, yeah. And according to that, I got me some hand sanitizer. I actually got this on the Kleenex at Target because it says, up and up and everything. So, yeah. My earring, where did it go? Oh, well. Okay. And next, I got my wallet. The reason why I really like this is because it has hard ass over and it has this pendant, I guess. This wallet pendant over there. Yeah, it's really cute. I got this at Walmart with my other wallet, my purse, what's in my purse. And I really like this because it has this, I don't know what it's called, but this jelly. Yeah. But I don't really have anything in here. This is mostly for my school stuff, like for receipts and for school, and anything in purchasing. But I really got nothing but my ID. I only have this. I only got this. Yes, I'm not showing you guys my picture because I look ugly. And I'm not just saying that because, it's my. Next I have in here is that my nerd glasses. Yes, I have nerd glasses. Yes, hide there. Nah. But yeah, I do have nerd glasses because, I want to look my best. I'm just joking. And next I have my earphones. Do not be like me, okay? The reason why I have earphones is because, one, my teachers are like irritating. Those teachers here in Hawaii probably. Because I don't know why they give it to us because, I don't even know what to say about them. Words I can't explain. Oh yes, I have my iPod. I use this a lot, especially in my social studies class, which recently I got a bad grade. So please do not be like me. Okay? Because, you're gonna be a failure. Of course. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next I got eyeliner. This eyeliner is a Wet n Wild Mega Liner. It's liquid eyeliner. And it's 861. Yeah. And this is really good, especially, when I want to look my best. Especially when I have, meetings with my teachers and everything. And I really want to look my best, Yes. I did get that A. Yeah. I never got A before until probably 4th grade. Oh. This is my post-it notes. I'm not gonna show you what's on here because it is not good. Next, I have Whiteout by Bic. Easy, yes. Then I usually use pens since we're supposed to be using pens. Yeah. And then I got my eraser, my hand eraser on the board. Oh, no. Okay. Well, yeah. That's okay. Next, we're going to big pockets. Okay. Well, first I got my color pencils, especially since I'm in art. I have to use color pencils a lot because that's the most that they recommend, I guess. I actually really recommend the Corel because I don't know, they're not like oily or anything. They're not chalky. So yeah, and I have these index cards because I really need to study more so I can get better grades and maybe I can actually be like, hey, I got my first A, in middle school. Yes, I am in middle school. Let's go. Okay, so now I got labels. This is to fix the papers, if it breaks or anything. Yeah. And next I got my Pretty Little Liars book. Yes, I do read Pretty Little Liars. And yes, I do read. People don't think I read. Okay, well, next I have my green pencil case, and I'll show you what's in here actually. Oh, I got a lot of stuff. Okay, well, first thing is that on the side, I do have some of these for easy reach and labels. And I got these green post-it notes on. It's mostly for like clicking and anything. I need to buy more post-it notes. And then next I have all my highlighters. I really do like highlighters, I guess. Especially the ones, because I got 3 of them. Yes. I mostly like these two together, and I don't know. I really like mixing these. I don't know. I'm a really colorful person. And then I got lead. And one thing you'll know about me is that I love mechanical pencils. I have really difficult time using regular pencils. You have all of these. I only have one regular pencil. I don't know if that's that. Okay, and next I got my pens. And these are, I love colorful pens. Look. I got 2 pinks, 1 blue, 1 black. Oh my god, this is my favorite. The reason why I got it is because it's correct. I don't know how to pronounce it anymore. But look at that. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. When I saw that, I was like, oh my god, that is mine. That is mine. That's why I don't take me to a kitty store anymore. Even my friends know that. When we go shopping at Pearl Ridge or something, I go, oh my god, they have kitty stores right there. And they go, no, keep on walking. I have my green pen. Oh yeah. And another thing about me is that I love Sharpies. I don't know where the rest of my Sharpies go, but I love Sharpies. Sharpies is one of my favorite things in the world. Oh, and did I show you? I don't know if I showed you this, but I got some lead. This paper matte lead. I don't know. I have this other mechanical pencil that goes to it, but I don't have that anymore. Okay. The next we have is my math journal. Okay. This is my math journal, yes. Okay. The one thing about it is that since you see all my stuff, you can see it in this. I got a lot of colorful stuff. Yeah, you get the point. I got colorful, colorful, colorful. Yeah, look at that really colorful stuff here. Yes. Okay, the next thing I have is my green notebook. I have no idea where I'm going to write this yet. I think this is going to be my anger management journal soon. And yes, I do have anger management. And it's not like the type that, oh my god, we should stop watching before, she blows up on YouTube. No. The reason why I have anger management is from when I was growing up as a kid. Yes. And next I got my put everything in. Well, I don't know what to call this for really. This is mostly stuff that I'm too lazy to put in my binder. Yeah. But the one thing I hate is that blue, and I hate blue. That's the number one thing. I don't know. I just can't stand blue. But I think it's also because, it's my sister's favorite color. I don't know. And next, I have my... Oh! I'm going to show you this, okay? This girl... I'm going to put the attention on these two girls. These two girls are my best friends. This one is the one who I was having problems with before. And this girl, she's my love. Like, not in a way where I'm lesbian or anything, but me and her got each other's back through thick and thin. And then I have my I love you, and then I love you forever, and it's my name, Angel. And I got this love thing in the back, and then my little kitty silly bag. And then I'm not really organized. Oh yeah. And I got this other I love you thing. Not any effects for my highlighters. And very colors. I don't know, I think that's it. Yeah. Oh yeah. One last thing. I got my lavender perfume. The reason why I always keep this is because, I stink after PE because I actually run a lot. I really do stink sometimes. Like, we all have a butter, but I am like, oh, even though these other people, they stink than me. I go, oh, look over there, hate the way that people smell. Okay, well, other than that, I hope you guys had fun, and show me what you guys have in your bag right below. Well, I hope you guys like this. Please subscribe, and please like, but mostly subscribe. I would love that. And please tell me what you guys think, and I guess give me more video ideas. But yeah, since now I can't sleep, I guess I'm gonna do more videos, like a makeup tutorial, I guess. I don't know. I'll see how I feel right now. Well, I hope you guys like this video, and please tell me what you guys